In this video, I'll show you how to add welcome bots to Discord. So what you need to do, go to your browser, type in Discord bots. So the third option, this is it. This is it. So I'm going to click on it. So I'm going to wait for it to open up. So I'm going to come in, I'm going to type in Dino, right? So click on done and click on search. So I'm going to wait for it to load up. So I'm going to scroll up. So you can be able to see Dino bots, right? So click on invite. So wait for it to open up. So what I need to do now, you need to click on select a server. So let me say test. Click on continue. Click on this. So I'm going to do this verification to prove that, yeah, I'm the one that is doing this. So it's currently loading up. So I'm just going to wait for it to load up. So you can see I just invited Dino to my Discord. So I think I'm going to just go back to my Discord. Let me see if Dino entered. Okay, I think he's in the test. So I'll wait, let me know. Okay, you can see it, Dino just slide into the server. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.